BC is chipping away at the surgery wait lists made more challenging by COVID-19 pressures, causing delays. The province wait lists for surgeries now lower than it was pre-pandemic. 88,000 waiting now versus 94,000 when the pandemic started. And last year, a record. More surgeries in BC in a year than ever before.
This is 21,284 more surgeries than last year. And yes, more surgeries, 7,155 more than in 2019, in the year 2019-20, April 1st, 2019 to March 31st, 2020, when we did not have COVID to deal with.
But the challenges remain immense. 52,000 people are waiting for urgent surgeries. 34,557 waiting more than twice the time that's recommended.
The overall surgical wait time that I inherited when I became Minister of Health, in which we had at the beginning of the pandemic, that's gone down, and that's good news. But if people say this is a great performance, be greater, I agree with that.
That's clearly what the leader of the opposition is saying. Kevin Falcon laying the blame for health waitlists across the board, whether for surgeries or at Metro Vancouver hospitals, on a lack of family doctors, saying they're being pushed out by poor management of this government and too much bureaucracy and red tape.
The problem with the NDP is they don't realize doctors, especially family physicians, are really small business people. And they're struggling with all the challenges that government has imposed on them as small businesses. And I can sit down and talk to them about the struggles they face because I know exactly what it's all about.
But Falcon's not saying what he would do if leading the province to change things, saying the BC Liberals are working on that policy over the next weeks and months.
It's about not properly measuring so that you know whether things are getting better or worse. The only thing they measure is how much more money they're throwing into the system.
What the NDP has measured is that 79% of the operations delayed in the last wave of the pandemic are now complete, along with nearly all of those postponed during the earlier waves of COVID-19. In Victoria, Liza Yuzda, City News.